Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we are going to do our tinies and monthlies. So I have $15 that I'm going to do for my monthlies. I'm going to put this in the back. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. This is like our little bank area. And I think we're down to 9 challenges. And I'm going to roll a 3-sided die, and I have some prop coins here, 25 cents and 50 cents. And whatever the die says, that's how many prop coins each challenge is going to get. So let's get started. 1. Last time we condensed down, I didn't replace any challenges. So we are down to 9. I think I'm going to get down to 8, and then that's a good number for now. So that way I can maybe finish some challenges a little bit quicker. How's everybody's week going? I'm trying to get this done really quick before my 5-year-old has her little cheerleading practice. She's loving it so far. It's so cute. They actually have the high schoolers here teaching them the cheerleading. And then she's going to cheerlead at the little flag football games for the county. Okay, yeah. So I don't have too much going on right now. How is everybody else? I'm just stressed out at work. If anybody runs on the fiscal year instead of the calendar year, you know that September is a pretty big month. And it's a pretty busy month, so, and I'm new to the current position that I'm working, so it's been a learning curve, and I haven't had the greatest turnover. So, all right, and we're done with it at number 6. So we'll move our little paperclip to number 7, and we'll just put this up for now. All right, so challenge number 1 is one from my shop, and then this one got $2. So each one of these is 25 cents. So that one is almost done. And then I will have all of the creators of these challenges down below. This one is also mine, but this one is in my Ko-fi shop. It's $1.75. So I have each of these is 50 cents. So we can do 3 and then half of one. I have some exciting new collabs that I want to start as soon as I am done with my Christmas savings. All right, and this one here is from Norella's Budgets. It is on her Ko-fi. And this one got, oh my goodness, okay, $2. Perfect. And each one of these is 50 cents. So, okay, that one, we'll finish that X. And then 1, 2. All right, so we have 75 cents left over for that one. And I do also have a second one in here. This one is, I think this was on my Etsy. It comes in a big pack of, I think, 8 challenges. So we'll do each one of these as 50 cents as well. So we can do 1 and half of one. And then this one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Set that off to the side. All right, and challenge number 4 is also one from my Ko-fi shop that comes in a set with the other alien one. We have $1.50. 1, 2, and 3. So that one just needs, I think, $1 more, and that one will be done. And we have challenge number 5. This one is also from Norellis Budgets. Probably came with that one as well. So, all right, this one got $2.25. So each one of these is 50 cents. So we'll finish that one. And this one will also be 50 cents. So that's... Uh-oh, what did I do? I don't know. Yeah, I think that just needs 2. Well, we'll figure it out in editing. So 1, 2, and then half of 1. So I'm going to keep that in there until those 2 are finished. Because those are all, that would only be $2 for 1. So we'll keep that in there. And then number 6, I am not sure who this is from, but this one got $1. And that will finish that because these are 25 cents. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I didn't think that one through very well. Let me get my calculator out. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 350. All right, we're just gonna do it as $3 because I'm not too concerned with the 50 cents. And I think I will keep that one empty so we can get down to 8. And this one is one that came in the other pack on my Etsy. There's a 50 cents each, so we have 25 cents to finish that one. And then 1 and 2. So that one is done. So that's 2, 4, 6. No, not 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, not $8. That's $4. We still have that 50 cents. I'm gonna put that marker down before I write on something. And then we do need to put in a challenge for that one. Okay. Okay, yeah, we'll just keep this one and we will keep these at $1. So that's 50 cents. So we'll make off one, well, half of a cross. X. That's what it's called. All right, and challenge number 8 got $1. And these are worth 50 cents. So we have that one, and so we have 25 cents left over there. So we have 1, 2, and $3. Perfect. And then so we are gonna need one more. Let's see. Let's get one of the Halloween ones out. Let's get the little ghost, and these will be 50 cents. And we'll do half of the X for that 25 cents. All right, and our last challenge, number 9, and I will go through and reorganize those off camera. All right, so this one got $2, more than what it needed. It just needed $1. And that's 1, 2, 3, $4. Perfect. See, I love these little minis because you get so many little tiny wins. It's awesome. Let's see. Do I need to replace one? 3, 4, 5. 6 doesn't have one. Okay, I do need to replace number 6. So we'll go with this one. 50 cents. And so that is $1. So we can mark off 2 circles. Perfect. That is amazing. Let's count up what we got for our minis. Where did my calculator go? It's a hot mess, guys. I apologize. Oh, and this has not been in the camera the whole time. Okay, so we have 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 is $18. That's amazing. I love that. And so what I do, I usually use these minis to go towards my bigger long-term challenges at the end of the month. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Perfect. And this will be this one back here is like our bank. So we just keep all the money in there, and I will, oh my goodness, okay. And we'll just paperclip all of these together. And we will quickly move on to our monthlies. I will be right back. All right, so we are back. I think I have $50 here. Let's see. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Yep. So we have $50 here for our monthlies. So the first one is for the Q3 savings challenge with Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, Overthinking and Budgeting, and Divine Savings Co. So we will start here. We are almost finished with this guy. Let's just get a little dice out, and we'll do our D6. So that is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's a 1. We'll just do that. And then 3. We have 1, 2, and 3 is another 1. I should just really finish this, to be honest. Do I have any? I have 1 roll and save. And then we have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's do that. Let's put this one back, get a 10, and let's do our roll and save. Is a 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this one is done. We're going to call that done. I think hopefully I added that right. I'm sure you guys will tell me if I messed it up. I feel like I messed it up, but I don't know. All right, let's see how much this one has saved us. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1 and 2, 32. That's amazing. We'll just swap that out real quick. All right, let me write 32 on here so I don't forget. It's almost like I haven't done this before. Still getting the hang of it. So we have our September group savings with Kimmy's Corner. So we have $5 here. We'll finish this one off. So we're going to go ahead and finish it. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So altogether, this has saved us 5, 10, 15, and 20. Perfect. So many. I love it. I love finishing savings challenges. That's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this one is a roll and save. So we'll do 2 for right now. So that way we're not finishing everything all at one time. All right. So we got a 2. That way, because this is only the second week of September. And a 5. So that is 7. 7. All right. So far this one has saved us 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3. 23, and we have 2 more rolls to go. This one is also from Kimmy's Corner. You get it in the same bundle on her coffee shop. Oh my goodness. Don't mind my issues getting the money back in there. Okay. And we have this one here from April's Fresh Start. We have 4, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and do the 4. I'll add that in there. So that way we have 3 left over. And so far this has saved us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let's swap that out real quick. We'll see if we can get through everything. So this challenge here is from Ali Bear Budgets. So what I've been doing, because I have so many challenges, is I'm just taking these numbers and adding them together. Let's see, what do we have? Let's go ahead and do the 5 and the 2 for 7. What? Yes. I'll be done in a few minutes.
I love you.
I love you too. Close the door, please.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right, so far we have done July, August, and September. And so far we have saved 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $75. Still pretty good savings, even though we're not doing the full amount shown on that. But that's the beauty of savings challenges, is you can make them your own. We're going to skip this one for now. And with Miss Anna Banana Budget, she rolled a 4 last time she killed her Tamagotchi. So we'll go ahead and put the 1 back and put in a 5. So far we have $11 saved there. And then this last one, nope, second to last one, is a roll and save for Enchanted Toadstool Budgets. We got a 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then let's go one more time. Because this one will probably be here for a minute because we got it. We'll be able to get some more next week. And so far we have $5 here. And we will, let's see, this one is from Budget Your Life. Eva at Budget Your Life, another roll and save. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see what we get. We got a 2, and then we'll do 3. So we have no IOUs. Perfect. And that will conclude our savings for today. So, oh, wait, hold on. I forgot. All right, so we got our 3 finished savings challenges. I'm going to put our $3 in here. And thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.